Okay, and next service is this Toyota's hybrid batteries air filter replace and cleaning. And now we have to go in this back door, in this right area's back door, and there is this my seat. And when we look in that area where this cover is a little bit open, this is this hybrid batteries filter cover. And next we go to open this cover totally. And firstly we move this front seat in this front area, and then we look in that area in here. And this is this filter cover, and there is this plastic screw in that area what I have to next open. And this cover is very big. It is like in that area and in here, totally in this area. And for that replace we need a little bit light that we can work in here. Okay, and there is this my screw, and I have now electric driver in here, and I open this. This is really screw is in here, and now it's free, and I drop that in ground, and then this my cover is ready for open, but it is little bit stuck, and I need flathead screwdriver next. Okay, and this cover is really tight, and there is my flathead screwdriver, and when I install this my head in here, and then I little bit bend that, I can open this, and look, there is another locking plate. It is in here. There is two plates. Firstly screw, and then this plastic thing, and now this is free. And look, I bend that little bit away, and now this my cover opens, and this is really, there is this my filter in here, that one, and there is really hybrid battery, do not touch these things, and there's also warning message, and purpose is that clean air goes through that area in inside, and that's this filter must to be in here. Note, this is really, and there is fan propeller in here, it rotates and heat, and it cool downs this important hybrid battery. And then we go to clean this filter. Okay, and there is really this hybrid batteries air filter, and it is this part in here, that part, and this part must to be clean in both sides. Look, and it is best way, and then we install this holes in here, 1, 2, 3 holes in these clamps in here in that way. We press this deeper in inside in here, and that we here click, and then this one also through that hole in here. Look, it is a little bit difficult to install, but in this way they must to be in clean, and these planes must to be tight in here, and that area must to be vacuum clean within every 10,000 miles. Remember, this is really important service, because if this area becomes stuck and bad, then our car's fuel consume increase about 1/4 per 100 miles. And this filter is really important, and we have to clean that area and in this area. And next I take my vacuum cleaner that we can see that how we clean that. Okay, and here is my vacuum cleaner hose, and this purpose is to clean firstly this inner area, all these holes in that way, and these areas in here, and then also this outer area in this one. Okay, good. And now these hybrid batteries air filter, it has been cleaned, and also this another dirt is also away. Good, excellent. Okay, and now when this part is ready, we install that back in this position, and note that there are those clamps what goes in these holes, and there is also that clamp and that one, those three. Firstly we install two of these and then these laters, and let's go to install this cover and filter back. Okay, and now we are installing this back, and we really need this light because this is a little bit difficult to see, and there is this my cover, and firstly I check that this my filter is okay, and then I rotate that in this ways that there is this hole in here, but this installation goes firstly in this way, firstly these holes in here, and in that way. Now it goes nicely, and then I install this cover. Notice that clamp in this up area, it goes nicely, and then I press that totally, it goes nicely deep in that way. Good. Check this also, these sides that they are solid. Excellent. And then final step is to install these covers back, these bolts. Firstly this plastic part, this is in here, and then this screw, it is plastic, it goes totally in there. Okay, and now this job is ready, and remember to do this job within every 10,000 miles or every year, because hybrid cars need this clean air in that area, and this system works automatically.